Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I have got something super special for you. All our handwritten programming notes completely free. Yes, you heard that right. No paid course, no hidden fees, just free notes that will help you crack interviews, and build strong fundamentals in programming. These notes cover almost everything you need in computer science and development: HTML and CSS, Git and GitHub, SQL and DBMS, and many more um, topics. Explain in simple, clear, and handwritten style so you can revise faster and remember better. And the best part, they are absolutely free. I have shared the Google Drive link in the description below. Just click and start downloading your notes. Now, before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel because here we don't just share notes, we share interview preparation guides, coding tips and tricks, career growth strategies, and many more resources to help you become a better developer. Knowledge grows when it is shared. So let's grow together. Grab your notes now, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.